wanted to show you guys what this one particular Redesign by Prima wax does. This is the iridescent, the blue iridescent one. And I started on this end right here. So you guys are like upside down to me. But I put it all right here. And some over here. And I also used some of these gilding waxes by Prima Marketing. And you guys can just like see, I added some more Moonshine metallics, but you can see how pretty this frame is turning out. Like, look at that. Isn't that so pretty? I can't read your comments right now unless I bring you guys up. What I want to show you guys how easy this is. So I'm going to start on this one right here. Hopefully you guys can see. I am going to, you guys can see that. I'm just going to go over it, the purple. Just go over the purple paint with the wax and just wait till you see what happens. So this one is called Electric Purple, and I just threw it. It's really pretty. So I'm starting off by putting the purple on, and then I put a little bit of the rose gold on top right here. I love finding these types of mirrors at garage sales because they're like 25 cents. They're amazing. And then this blue iridescent one, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a blue iridescent to it. It's really cool. So I take that with my finger, or I've been using a brush too, and you can put it on right here and see how it turns blue. You guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see it. And then I put some on here, and then I take a brush and brush it out so it's not all clumpy. But look at how pretty that iridescent is. So these are just the Prima Marketing waxes, decor waxes. And I love using these on especially frames and details like this. Wow, this blue iridescent is just so pretty. Look at that. I love how this turned out over here. And all I use is I basically just used the blue iridescent on top of everything. Oh, it makes it so pretty. So I'm just gonna keep adding more waxes and stuff.